Jojolapa, Newa Language Learning Chapter 42, Relationship. Please remember Apple Technologies for website designing services. Number 1. Mother, Ma. Father. Number 2. Father, Abu or Ba. Number 3. Son, Ka. 4. Daughter, Mya. 5. Grandmother, Aji. 6. Grandfather, Aja or Baja. 7. Grandchild, Che. Elder brother, Daju. Younger brother, Kiza. Elder sister, Tota, or someone also says Tata. Number 11, younger sister, King. 12, daughter-in-law, Bhau. 13, son-in-law, Jilajong. 14, father-in-law, Sasa Ba. 15, mother-in-law, Sasa Ma. 16, brother-in-law, elder brother, Sasa Daju. Brother-in-law, number 17, brother-in-law, younger brother, Sasa Kiza. 18, mother's brother, Paju. We call Paju for younger brother and elder brother, both same. Or someone, we can also say Tori Mapaju or Chiri Mapaju. Tori Mapaju for elder brother and Chiri Mapaju for younger brother. Number 19. Father's brother, elder brother, Koba. Father's brother, younger, Koka. Number 21. Father's sister's husband, Paju. This Paju and this Paju is same pronunciation. Both are called Paju. Number 22. Father's sister, Nini. Mother's elder sister, Choma. Mother's brother's wife, Malay. Brother's son, nephew, Kacha. Niece, Mehacha. Sister's son, nephew, 27, Pincha. 28, sister's daughter, niece, Pincha. Both is called Pincha, but for son we can say Mijama Pincha, and for daughter we can say Misama Pincha.